Hello, this is Tamir Zain from ElliottWaveForex.com with your weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. As expected, the Euro moved towards the upside, reached both of our targets, exceeded them by 40 pips, and then formed the first bearish candlestick bar in more than a week. Given all the technical and wave pattern indications so far, it's very likely that the market has begun a new medium-term downtrend, but just in case we're including an alternate count that justifies the possibility of another rally. We're updating our accounts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So beginning as usual with the big picture on the weekly chart, we see that the euro is moving towards the downside in teal wave X, which is forming a double zigzag labeled maroon waves W, X, and Y, where maroon wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled black waves A, B, and C, and within it, black wave A formed an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, and then black wave B is now forming a contracting triangle labeled blue waves A, B, C, D, and finally E. So now zooming into our main count on the daily chart, we can see that blue wave D is most likely forming a double zigzag labeled pink waves W, X, and Y, where pink wave W formed a zigzag labeled green waves A, B, and C, and then pink wave X formed a double zigzag labeled green waves W, X, and Y, and now pink wave Y must be forming a zigzag labeled green waves A, B, and C. This count expects the euro to move towards the downside in pink wave Y to complete wave D, and this will be confirmed at least initially by movement below 1.1234, and it will probably take at least a month to complete this new downtrend. So now at 1.0931, pink wave Y would reach 61.8% the length of pink wave W. Then at 1.0662 it would reach 100% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1366, as green wave B of a zigzag may not move beyond the start of green wave A, and it's also invalidated by movement below 1.0525, as blue wave D of a contracting triangle may not move beyond the start of blue wave C. Now moving to our alternate count, we see that it expects that pink wave X is actually forming a flat correction labeled green waves A, B, and C, where green wave C is forming an impulse labeled orange waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so this count expects the euro to continue moving towards the upside to complete green wave C and therefore pink wave X. This will be confirmed by movement above 1.1366. Then at 1.1395, green wave C would reach 161.8% the length of green wave A. Then at 1.1466, pink wave X would retrace 78.6% of pink wave W. This wave count is invalidated by movement below 1.1234, as orange wave 4 of an impulse may not enter the price territory of orange wave 1, and it's also invalidated by movement above 1.1616, as pink wave X of a double zigzag may not move beyond the start of pink wave W. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.